In this video I'm going to show you how to use silent feature on Instagram. That is quite simple and useful, so let's begin. And what silent feature is, it allows you to send DM without a notification to recipient. So the recipient will know about your DM just when he opened the app. And let me show you how to send such kind of DM. For that you have to open up some conversation and there hit on message to start typing a message right there, and first type in @ and now it comes up here. It says that you can hit on that and send a silent message, and now I can continue typing my message, like I can write there, "Hi friend," and after that hit send. And that's how silent feature works, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.